1993 year is the year of the beginning of a protracted economic crisis, comparable in its severity to the Great Depression in the United States. At the same time began to gain momentum the political crisis that will lead to assault of the epicenter Ostankino and the infamous shooting of the White House. In 1993 year, in NPP-Elis, under the leadership of the member correspondent of the Russian Academy of Natural Sciences, Sergei Petrovich Konoplev, began the development of a unique medical production. Despite the difficult external factors, scientists were able to achieve amazing results in the shortest time. Already in 1994 year, the first series of the medical devices appeared. Among them, the device of active protection from weak radiation. The electromagnetic therapy method has shown amazing results. This was an entirely new word in medical technology. The devices have no analogues in the world, had received several Russian patents, international patent of protection in 72 countries of the world, and an American patent on a method. New devices have been tested successfully in the leading medical institutions of Russia. Today, NPP-Elis produces 21 device names, uniting the whole experience of the modern world on achievements in the field of human exposure of specific frequencies. By the techniques of Royal Rife, biophysicists Albert Popp, Dr. Helmut Schimmel, Dr. Reinhold Wohl, Paul Schmidt, and constructed in the enterprise method of the impact by weak electromagnetic fields. Devices of Rhythm series were successfully tested in more than 100 medical institutions of Russia. They have become an indispensable companion for many thousands of Russians. Convenient, portable device heals you wherever you are, at work, at home, in movement. For its application does not require special knowledge in the field of medicine. This is a very important factor because the device of the Rhythm series are needed for almost any resident of the world, proving themselves excellent in all sections of the medicine, including in the treatment of diseases of the cardiovascular system, gastrointestinal tract, endocrine disorders, kidney and urogenital tract. Devices of the Deta series easily cope with bronchitis, asthma, tonsillitis, laryngitis, and many other ailments. Classical effectiveness of electromagnetic therapy is over 80%. Progress never stops. Over time, medical devices Deta-Elis constantly improved. In 2012 year, we are glad to present you a brand new generation of Deta-Elis devices. You will have amazing changes. Now, programming power is produced through the USB connector. 8-bit processor replaced by a new 32-bit English processor. Battery life has increased twice. The device became easier to use. In the new generation of Deta-Elis devices applied a unique development antenna with variable beam pattern. The device may cover the whole human, and medical effect begins from a distance of 1 meter. Your adaptive antenna is not only radiates therapeutic signal but also reads the reflection of the person. This completely eliminates the possibility of overdosing by this effect. New generation of the Deta-Elis devices knows all European languages. To communicate with it in any language can be possible even in the middle of the night. Pleasant illumination of the display and another innovation of the keys of the new device is that they became musical. When pressed, they will produce the sound of different tone that will facilitate the use of the device for visually impaired people. And the most important, the level of medical signal increased in 2 times. That significantly raises therapeutic effect, and this is not a whole list of innovations. In our progressive age, the equipment is needed not only for sick people, but first of all for healthy people. Prophylaxis of the diseases is less expensive. To prevent the problem, always easier. Medical devices Deta-Elis already for 2 decades have been helping people to stay healthy and have been saving them from many problems.